Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check Roblox server status and test your internet latency. Once done, close background apps that hog CPU, GPU, or roughly 1-2 GB RAM so Roblox can allocate resources. Next, restart your router and your PC. Make sure to try a wired connection if you normally use Wi-Fi. You want to eliminate network and resource bottlenecks immediately so the later, more technical fixes apply to a clean environment. Now you focus on the app itself. Clear Roblox cache and temporary files by deleting the Roblox folders in %localappdata% and similar cache locations so corrupted assets don't block load. Once cleared, repair or reinstall Roblox through Settings apps or run the official installer to refresh core files. While reinstalling, update your graphics drivers and confirm your firewall or security software allows Roblox EXE and required TCP. For the final pass, test Roblox on a different account or device to determine if the issue is account-specific versus system-specific. If you suspect ISP routing, try a reputable VPN briefly. Otherwise, avoid VPNs that add latency. Boot into safe mode with networking to rule out third-party interference. If problems persist, collect Roblox log files, a DXDiag report, and a short network trace so you or support can diagnose further. Troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, reinstall Windows Network Stack with Netch Winsock Reset and reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.